like ding, away.
And then I was like, fuck, do I gotta piss? I gotta piss. Do I gotta piss? Nah, I don't have to piss. Do I gotta piss? Yeah, I gotta piss. So then I went and did a piss. And then I was like, okay, I'll go to sleep now. Wrong, and hours. Oh, I saw that, oh yeah, look at it all. Very flamboyant, very leathery. Leather and sequences. That's not a fucking seagull, that's a fucking pelican. Look at the size of the fucking thing.
What's this fella?
Oh yeah, what is it? Is it? Oh yeah!
It's a seal.
Oh, we can go home now. Relax.
Yeah, I do. I have my period.
Did you want to do
If
that?
you were bleeding out of your penis.
I'd be worried. I would be worried. I wouldn't be going relaxing at home.
The dream. I'm so tired. Period tiredness is what's happened, but I need to find a bison before we go.
Is that a...
Is that a bison?
No, I thought it was a
No, it's a corgi.
Oh, so they farmer me.
Oh, I want to be on the bison farming team.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Off you go. Do you want me to throw you over?
Yeah. Look, bison. Do you reckon they stink? All right. Good day.
It's 10 o'clock.
Or should we go to Muir Woods and go for a walk through there?
You're tired.
Yeah.
Why don't I go home? You can relax for a couple of hours, and if you want to do something this hour, we'll do it.
Okay.
If not, we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay. We should go snuggle up and order some Uber Eats, ice creams, cookie sandwiches. What are you doing?
That was us going to get Uber Eats.
Oh, is this a wedding?
No, I think it's a fucking cowboy catch-up, because they got cowboy hats on. Or is it a soup kitchen?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a soup kitchen. It's a soup kitchen.
He's just filming homeless people.
That's a pretty tree. I like how it's got that shit growing on.
Do you know what that reminds me of?
Boogers?
No, but Vampire Diaries.
Oh, yeah. What's this one over here?
When I die, or when you die.
Disc golf course. You know those frisbee golf that they play?
Those frisky golfers.
Well, they might be. Goddamn frisky golfers!
Before we moved here, I was nervous about Brad being shot for yelling at people. Remember that first 48 I watched and he just decided to shoot out of his car at 3 a.m?
Yeah.
And then he shot that postie and I was like, that's gotta fucking be Brad. But you yelling at frisky golfers doesn't worry me. So we just went to the Muir Woods, but you need car park reservation, which they warned us on the way down. We just didn't listen. Then when you get down, then there's no service and you have to book online. So we have to drive until we find service. Oh, 4G, 5G. Should we sit and have a snack somewhere?
Yep.
Thank you. It must have like some accessible walks with this many accessible parks.
Yeah, 100%.
How nice would that Asian masseuse be? Thai masseuse next door. The most expensive rub and tug place you could find.
Can I say it a bit louder for the camera?
It's recording?
Yeah.
Cool. I don't want to hold my hand in this. This reminds me of Twilight in here. Should we reenact it? You jump on my back and I'll climb up the tree. 909 AD. I always wonder how they work that out.
Someone counts the rings.
But how do they know? Has someone watched it and then measured it?
It's got something to do with the oxygen or something.
Yeah. Okay. My ADHD, that's not good enough.
A new tree ring is created each year as thick, light-coloured wood cells are added by the tree early in the growing season. And then the different widths can mean different things.
Yeah. What is that?
A chipmunk.
Oh. Oh my God. Brad. Oh my god.
He's touching me.
How good is catheters? I'm just thinking, imagine me trying to self-cath all the time. Oh, one time when I went for a hike with Chloe, I needed to pee, and the only place I could pee, I put my legs over here, slid forward, and self-cathed in front of everyone. It was terrible. Look how big those trees are.
Look how barky they are.
Yeah. Do you reckon you could climb it?
No.
I could. I look so goofy with this hat on.
Yeah, you are. You're a goofball.
Is it too cold for snakes here?
Yeah. They're so different to Australian trees. We don't have bark like that. Whee!
Could you just pull that out a bit? Yeah, thank you. The walk was really good and it was really accessible. Even though I reckon a manual wheelchair could do most of that.
Oh,
you just get dusty.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's time to go and then we're going to hop into bed. You can do whatever you want, Brad, but I'm hopping into bed. What's happening, Bradley?
Well, we're leaving San Francisco and now we're driving to Lake Tahoe.
Can't see how pretty it is, but it's very pretty. It's like Virgin River. Brad hates that I keep comparing it to Virgin River. Why?
It's a nice wooded area.
Like Virgin River.
I bet you Virgin River's not even on the west coast. I bet you it's fucking New Hampshire or something.
I bet you $100 that it's in a 5-hour drive from here.
Where's that? Where's the $100 got to come from?
I don't know.
57.
57 minutes somewhere there. And I want to stop at a bakery. I need to pee. I took my IDC out because it was hurting me. I get serious pain with it. So we've got a nice view here. And then I'm going to self-cath. Coloplast sponsor me because iCare stopped paying for everything. Yeah, I have this. It's got a catheter with a bag in it. Sterile gloves.
So this is the view. And then this is my view.
Yeah.
Generally, Alison's pretty good and she can do it while we're driving, but we're in the windies at the moment, so it'll be a bit
hard
and hectic.
So this catheter has a bag attached to it, so I can do it anywhere. My injury's too high to be able to transfer onto a toilet. A lot of my friends get onto toilets every time they have to pee and I'll just drop dead. Tahoe.
I wasn't expecting it to be this big.
This is us in the Blackjack Inn. Ooh.
Shit.
It's much more slidey.
More slidey, less bendy.
Less bendy than the other brand. It's got a cheap hotel. But look how accessible this is. Look how cheap it is. I just got really excited because I thought that lady's hair as she was walking past that bin was a raccoon.
Why? You want to see a raccoon?
See? Pat?
Get that
Cuddle.
$1,000.
Get what?
That $1,000.
Yeah, who did I make a bet with?
Sally.
Had to be a wild raccoon or did she not stipulate?
She said it can't be a pet.
Okay. How does she know what a pet is though? Because she can't even look after her dogs.
True.
Did you say Winnie's a pet or wild? I'd say Winnie's wild. We're going for a walk down to the water. That's what we're doing.
There's a beach chair.
Oh, shit. That's cool.
You could get married there.
Contact us to... Who lives in here? Hello? How much are you worth? Tell me your money. We found a weed shop.
Should I turn it off?
Yeah. I'm actually really exhausted. We are about to smoke this and then walk to an ice cream shop. And it tastes funny. I feel like there should be a tear thing, like a stoner has scissors. In this smelly lift, yeah. I reckon homeless people use this as a bathroom.
No, they wouldn't bother coming in. They'd do it at the front like old mate did.
He wasn't even holding his wheelie when he was going. I had both hands down. He was just peeing on himself. This side. In the city of Compton.
But now
I used to have Smart Drive when I came here last, and I had a jacket on the back of my wheelchair, and it got caught in the Smart Drive. And I was coming along here. See that boulder?
Yep.
My wheelchair got caught. I couldn't steer it. I went into the boulder and flew out of my wheelchair. Good times. Smart Drives are fucked. I hate them. I'd start.
Facebook page.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Sorry.
delicious.
Brownie with s'mores, ice cream, and then hot fudge.
Hot caramel.
What did you get?
Nutella cookie with chocolate chip cookie dough and hot fudge.
We had our first full day in Lake Tahoe. We went and had massages, really nice massages this morning. And then we went down and tried to get boat hire because I really want to get out on the river. So we went to this dodgy guy who was trying to sell boats, but he really wasn't selling boats. He was selling timeshares. And he was like, oh, we can give you a free boat ride, free tickets to boats. And I was like, okay, this is weird. It was a timeshare. We just went to a 2-hour timeshare thing. And then he made us go to the Hilton. And we went to the Hilton. And the guy who we had at the Hilton was like, you guys can't afford this. As soon as he looked at us, I came in my socks and like I look like a bum. So he just gave us all this free stuff and he was really lovely. So we ended up getting sunset dinner boat, 2 nights accommodation, and
A $50 gift voucher to the Hard Rock Cafe that we have to use tonight, which we will run out of time.
yeah, we don't have time. Can you see the beautiful mountain up there? And this is our free river cruise. It only cost us 2 hours of our time and our dignity. But that's all that
When they
matters.
laughed at us because
We were poor. Oh, there's a psychic.
What's your fascination with psychics?
They're everywhere here, that's why. Do you reckon California's just got more sixth sense people? They see dead people walking around with the regular people.
Back a bit further, actually.
Sweet. Awesome, thank you. Could you help?
what's going on here?
He thinks something's up with me because I can't get jackets on. I think
I don't know why. I don't get it.
I know why. I don't have the back muscles to pull my shoulders back enough. So when I put a jumper on, I'm like this. I had a really cool idea. If you're rich enough, do you reckon you could buy like 4 baby great whites and put them in and then watch mayhem unfold? Like Lake Placid, but
Depends
great whites.
what they could eat in here. That's
Humans.
No, they would start off eating.
They would start off by eating fish.
We gotta live somewhere on the lake.
Yeah.
Have it in a net, and then let the fish come in, and then we'll also feed them.
Yeah.
And then let them go.
And we just go sit on the beaches and watch.
You know what you do?
Have a meet-up for swimmers in the middle of the lake in boats.
What we do it a few times. I'll wear a fucking shark fin on my back, and then oh, it's just Brad.
And then next time it's
Chomp.
chompy chomp.
Chomp.
Can I have some champagne? It's so pretty.
Pretty pretty. Right there, you see that, Naz?
Yeah. Are they eagles?
They're seahawks. They're about half the size of an eagle.
Okay.
That's fun. We just sunset.
Check guy looked so upset when he realised Brad and I can't afford it. He looked so sad. And then I'm like, where's my free cruise? And he was actually really lovely, telling us to be careful in certain areas and driving. And
He told us it's not an investment.
it's a holiday
Saving.
for $22,000. I just did a floor to chair transfer, just so everyone's aware, to get off the boat. I didn't go, I went from chair to floor and then chair to floor.
Level surface with the chair.
Yeah, everyone was like, what the fuck? But